Hey Team XK, I wanted to do a quick update here on the total cryptocurrency market cap. We did enter in a position on Litecoin. Some of the buy limits have been triggered, and we're actually kind of seeing currently a decent sell-off, a decent pullback here on the total cryptocurrency market cap. So I want to send out an update here to kind of give you insight on what I see potentially playing out going forward for the total cryptocurrency market cap here. So looking at it, we can see we've seen finally a break out of really this state of consolidation that we were in. Right, we were in a state of, it was about, I think it was like 13, maybe 50, yeah, about 13%. Right, state of consolidation for quite some time, even after that drop. Right, we went back into this consolidation. We have pretty much broken outside of that. We're also trading now above some nice EMAs. Right now, we're looking at the 2-hour time frame, and I'm looking at the 2-hour. Kind of gives us a good idea of what is potentially going to be happening over the next 12 hours. And there's really only a couple scenarios that I think are going to play out here. Either this sell-off does continue and we'll come and find support right at that next 12-hour support, which is going to be around 2.145 trillion, right? I believe that would be a key level of support that will hold, and then we'll see a bounce, and we'll be looking to maybe come back into this all-time high that was back in 2021 of May, right? Right around that 2.5 trillion mark. We could be looking at maybe looking like mid-January if we do maybe get that aggressive pullback. Or we find that this weekly, daily, and 12-hour support at right around that $2.3 trillion mark actually does hold as a level support, and we'll be making an additional move higher to be creating a higher high, breaking that strong 4-hour and 12-hour resistance, right, which was that previous all-time high back in May of 2021. We'll see a break of that, creating a new high. So I think that is most likely what's going to happen is we're going to find support in here somewhere. So maybe we could be potentially seeing an additional 3, maybe 5% sell-off here on the total cryptocurrency market cap, finding support and then making another wave higher. I think, worst case scenario, we could be potentially seeing that 12-hour, the dailies, we're seeing another 10% pullback, coming back down to those lows, and then seeing another push higher here. So we just got to remain patient here. We are testing, these levels of support. And like I said, this is a weekly, daily, and 12-hour support here, right around that $2.3 trillion mark. And it is a decent level of support that I'll be watching. So I have an alert set that's right below that, right? If we do get that triggered, right, we could see a liquidation type of event. We could see a pretty aggressive fall to that next 12-hour support if this weekly, daily, and 12-hour support here is actually broken. So keep our eyes out for that. Remain optimistic here on the total cryptocurrency market cap. Right, beginning of the week, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback, nothing unusual. Really looking at that daily time frame, right? We're still actually in a state of consolidation on the daily. We've been in the state of consolidation here now for 5 days, right? It's about that 7% consolidation phase on the total cryptocurrency market cap here. So I think the next couple of days are going to be very critical to see what happens here. And hopefully we see that catalyst event happen on DXY, right? We want to see the DXY finally break down and actually have some movement here. We've been in a state of consolidation for about 5 weeks, so haven't really seen anything happen there on DXY, which I think would be the catalyst event that we need to see happen in order for the cryptos to really see that significant move higher here. If there's any questions, please let me know. Hopefully this was insightful. Just a waiting game, right? Quick recap. More than likely, we're going to see the $2.3 trillion mark, right? Lowest, we could see maybe 2.269 trillion support being held. And then we'll see higher highs being created, right? Stair step formation to the upside from there. or we really get that worst case scenario where we're coming back down, testing that 12-hour support right around that $2.1 trillion mark, and then making a move higher into the beginning or middle of January. And that's it. As always, everyone, may the trades be with you.